Hello, I'm Jason, General Manager here at ASCENTIV. On behalf of the entire ASCENTIV TradeMap team, I'd like to welcome and congratulate you as the newest ASCENTIV TradeMap investor. Prepare to be astounded at some truly great investment returns. Every Sunday through Thursday, you'll receive each day's buy and sell signals sent directly to your inbox. These important daily instructions tell you what trades to open and close in order to maximize your portfolio's investment profits. If you can't find your daily alert, check your email spam folder and mark our email address as not spam. So what's the best way of getting off to a great start? Because it's so important that you understand exactly how to use each day's buy and sell signals email. Please take the time now to familiarize yourself with these indispensable pieces of information before placing your first trades. First, important legal stuff. It's critical that you know the terms and conditions of being an ASCENTIV TradeMap investor to promote our mutual interests and success. Accessing ASCENTIV TradeMap information signifies your assent to these terms of service. Most important, as a paid subscriber, you agree not to forward any information you receive in the daily buy and sell signals email. Second, take a look at the amazing world of trading futures. There are huge advantages of investing in futures contracts and some complexities too. Commodity futures are ASCENTIV TradeMap's exclusive focus. So if you're new to trading futures, relax. You're about to take your investing expertise to an entirely new level that can dramatically propel your returns and substantially grow your personal wealth. Third, understand what futures we trade and how. The mechanics of ASCENTIV TradeMap futures investing is introduced in this section so that you'll have a level-set baseline grasp of everything we do as futures investors. Fourth, take a deep dive into the information contained in the post called Working with Your Futures Broker. This is possibly the most important section for you to be acquainted with. It goes into all the detail you need for placing your daily buy and sell signal futures trades with a broker. It covers the 3 different ways your portfolio's open positions should be closed and when, as well as how to place new trades with maximum risk protection using trailing stop-loss orders. And then finally, there's our post for frequently asked questions. This is a periodically updated report answering some of the most common inquiries we receive and will probably address most all the questions you might have as a new ASCENTIV TradeMap investor yourself. You'll find all 5 of these critical pieces of information linked in your welcome email, as well as in the ASCENTIV blog archives. If you'd like to know some behind-the-scenes mechanics of how ASCENTIV TradeMap works and generates the daily buy and sell signals that deliver such great returns, be sure to read through the post called How ASCENTIV TradeMap Works. This information delves into helpful detail answering important questions like, how are the investments optimized? There's no artificial intelligence voodoo or any secret methodologies at work to give you each day's profitable trading signals. ASCENTIV TradeMap leverages moving averages, which are used very commonly by countless investors as technical trading indicators, but we add one very crucial advantage most others miss. Investing based on moving averages allows you to trade with the trend. Trading with the trend is an essential element of profitable trading and is important for your trading success. Beginning traders have a tendency to try to pick market tops and bottoms when initiating a trade. This requires that you correctly predict future prices, which is very difficult to do with any consistency, if not impossible. The best time to place buy orders is when an uptrend is already established, and a sell order is best placed when a futures contract has already entered a downtrend. Trends have been proven more likely to continue in the same direction than to reverse. Trends also tend to persist much longer than most investors seem to expect. Next, it covers an explanation of the 3 different types of signals that moving averages can be used for, including price crossover, moving average crossover, and moving average directional change. It also takes a look at 4 different types of moving averages ASCENTIV TradeMap adopts to optimize its signals for you. These are simple moving average, weighted moving average, exponential moving average, and finally, the whole moving average. Then it covers a brief look at the 4 different daily prices that can be used when arithmetically computing the optimal trading signals to send you each day. Finally, this post discusses how ASCENTIV TradeMap generates an algorithm which determines the optimal number of days to use when calculating all the moving averages. This is the one very crucial advantage most others completely miss. In most cases, investors simply pick an arbitrarily selected number of days to identify short, medium, or long-term trend signals. Instead, ASCENTIV TradeMap doesn't force you to choose a time frame and identifies the single most profitable number of days to use in calculating all its moving averages. All of this comes together behind the scenes so that you can receive the best, most profitable buy and sell signals each market trading day. Once again, congratulations and thank you for becoming an ASCENTIV TradeMap investor, both personally and professionally. I wish you the very best success as you better secure your future through the financial growth and independence that comes from investing with ASCENTIV TradeMap. Thank you.